We have an incredibly talented team crafting our cars, and our ambition is to make them as efficient as possible, leveraging best tools. Investment in technology is a core priority for us, and this collaboration with Rescale and NVIDIA directly supports that ambition.
Traditional engineering workflows are fragmented. There are a lot of handovers, there's a lot of inconsistency of data or change of formats. Building AI tools on the Rescale digital engineering platform based on the NVIDIA AI infrastructure allows us to accelerate our engineering and product development processes. The end goal here is to have this integrated data platform where we have the design data, the simulation data, and the test data all on one platform, which will allow us to close the loop where the testing informs the simulation and simulation informs the design. We're using physics AI to accelerate simulation that previously took hours or days to run and cut that time down to minutes. We're using AI agents to orchestrate the pre-processing and post-processing of that simulation. We have built agents that check process quality to make sure that only good information is passed downstream. And we're building agents that relieve engineers of repetitive work so that they can focus on innovation and product creation. The manufacturing process for carbon composites is very complicated. We're using AI physics to accelerate that process. And through the agentic orchestration of that simulation, we'll be even able to go one step further, giving that simulation capability into the hands of the manufacturing practitioners so that they can parametrically optimize their manufacturing process and see the outcome in real time. It's very exciting for our teams. They are participating in a revolution in the way they work.
Our past work becomes searchable, reusable, and instantly available to our engineers. And by leveraging AI physics and cloud technologies, we are trying our best to eliminate all unnecessary manual work so we can deliver step change gains in productivity. Essentially, we want to enable our people to focus on the work that truly defines McLaren. My vision is that we'll be building products, leveraging code and algorithms as a base of that. We want to build better product, we want to build more product with the same resources. And I'm sure leveraging our partnership with Rescale and NVIDIA will get there.
For 60 years now, McLaren has been pushing the boundaries of engineering. Using modern tools like AI physics or agentic engineering allows us to push those boundaries even further, exploring more of the design space and making sure we're creating exhilarating products for our customers.